Hi girls, it's your girl Alexis. Today I'm going to be doing another YouTube video. I'm not going anywhere specific, but I would like to get out of the house for a few. So on this look today, I'm still kind of undecided. I do have my BH Cosmetics palette. I think I'm going to go on this side of the palette. Whatever colors I decide to use, I'm just going to pick an outfit based off those colors. But I want you to keep on watching, stick around. Please do not click off my channel, and when you're finished watching this video, I want you to check out my other videos that I made if you haven't already checked those out. And if you're not subscribing, can you please subscribe for me? Thank you. Keep on watching. LA.GirlPro concealer. Y'all know me, I couldn't stay away from my color, but I still have some like fall early look going on, so I'm just gonna go in with this shade yellow right here. Okay y'all, so as you can see off the camera, I already added my mascara and I added my focus. Yes. Hey y'all, so I'm back and this is the completed look. I love this look. It is so different, and like I told y'all, I always go in with some natural colors, but this right here is just so pretty, y'all, and so different, and I think I love it a lot more because I don't go for this look. Like I said, I always use color, but I love this look and I just feeling myself. I also got this look and was inspired by my girl Brianna Marie. I love Brianna Marie. Like, she really motivates me while I'm doing my makeup. And so I just went on her YouTube and I was just looking at some of her videos. And this is the look that I came with. I love it. And yeah. Thank you.